Hey everybody, I just bought a Trademark 6 pocket armrest organizer with tabletop. I got it from Walmart for $4 a piece. It just came in. Before I show you that, I'm gonna measure the size of my armrest. It's about 11 inches or 10 to 11 inches. So I'm gonna put the armrest there now and see how it looks like. It's the bag that came in and another box. Open this box up. Let's open from the bottom. Hopefully I don't cut anything. There's that thing. So you throw this away if you have dogs. You don't want them to eat that. There's the armrest organizer. It's supposed to have 6 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 6? I guess they count this as pocket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess this the tray is the 6th one. I don't know. It's supposed to be 6 pocket. So this is the 6 pocket one. Looks stable enough. Put a remote. Remote there. You can put the phone here too. You can put a controller here. Yeah, perfect. So it works out well for my thing. I don't know what. You could probably put some newspaper here, which who uses them, or magazines. And phone, like I said, remote. So yeah, it looks good. And it looks sturdy enough. Looks stable. Here's the side pocket, big. So I put some my crap in it. There's a mouse, soda can, my wallet, my key, and my remote. There's another remote there. 2 phones. Nothing there. Nothing on this side because I guess this is for the magazine or newspaper, and this is the future. Fortunately, nobody reads newspaper anymore. Actually, you can put a tablet there. Huh? Let me put a tablet there. So I put a tablet there. You can probably fit an iPad in there. So let me get the measurement. So this is the size of the tray. It's actual size of the tray is 11 by 7, and the height would be about 1.5. Height is about 2 inches. So this is the tray from I got from Walmart for $4. It's very useful so far, and I I already tested this in, I don't know, because of just one that make it stick to the armrest, but it doesn't move. Yeah, so maybe because of the weight that is added there too. But before, when I just leave it like this, it didn't move without any phone, nothing. I didn't put any weight, and it still sticks to the thing. I think there's a little weight here. I don't know, but it sticks to the armrest, so it doesn't really move. So this is it. This is the $4 armrest caddy that I got from Walmart. 6 pockets, and I got it for $4. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.